After raising minimum export price for onions, the central government has empowered the state governments to impose stock holding limit for onion and potatoes. A decision to this effect was taken at a meeting of the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs here on Wednesday evening. States can now take the action of imposing stock holding limit for a period of 1 year from the date of notification. The notification bringing onions and potatoes under stock holding limits will be issued by Thursday. Union Law and Telecom Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad told reporters post the meeting.
The Economic Affairs Committee of the Cabinet has decided that onion and potato must be brought within the purview of the stock holding limits under the Essential Commodities Act.
This is the first time when vegetables have been brought under stock holding limit. These measures are being considered in order to curb the hoarders who are allegedly blocking supply in anticipation of poor rainfall affecting new crop. Retail prices of onion have risen to about 25 to 30 rupees per kilogram, while the wholesale prices are ruling at 18.5 per kg in the national capital. Onion prices have been rising due to speculation amid anticipation of below normal monsoon, despite sufficient supply in the country.
While the Government of India is going to issue the notification shortly, consequent upon this Cabinet decision of great importance, the Cabinet has expected that the state governments will take firm and effective measures against hoarding, and therefore there's a need for fixing a limit of stock, both in respect of onions and potato. And we expect that the state governments concerned, in view of this notification, will issue the stock limit notification in different states as per their requirement, and effective action shall be taken.
The wholesale price of onions at Lasalgaon in Maharashtra, Asia's largest onion market, has risen by about 80% during June to 18.5 rupees per kg. Onion production is estimated to have risen to 192 lakh tons during 2013-14 crop year, from 168 lakh tons in the previous year.
हमें ऐसा लगता है कि देश में पर्याप्त मात्रा में प्याज भी है, पर्याप्त मात्रा में आलू भी है। आवश्यकता है उसकी होर्डिंग नहीं हो, आवश्यकता है जनता के लिए उपलब्ध रहे। इसलिए आज जो हमारी कार्रवाई है, हम देश को यह आश्वस्त करना चाहते हैं, पैनिक करने की जरूरत नहीं है। जो भी आवश्यक कार्रवाई होगी कर रही है, और हमारी सरकार कीमतों को कम करने के लिए कटिबद्ध है।
Powered by NNIS.